I love working with our biggest customers because our biggest customers present the biggest challenges. And they also get the biggest benefits from our solutions. And what working with these large enterprise scale customers teaches us is how to make our products better and how to make our products better not only from an operational perspective, but also from a time to deployment, how to deploy, how to maintain perspective. I think about a large automotive today. A greenfield automotive plant would take 18 months traditionally to configure the HMI SCADA solution for that plant. That's not going to meet the needs of the automotives who have to retool their internal combustion engine plants for EV. They have to retool those plants in months. And so collaborating with big customers like that challenges us to think differently and make our product portfolio better. We work with a large industrial gas customer that's got our software deployed across 2,500 or 3,000 remote sites. And the remote management of those applications is challenging. And so we've created new capabilities within our portfolio that helps them manage those applications remotely so they don't have to send somebody to site. So they don't have to sort of individually remotely log into to remote infrastructure to make changes. Our goal is to not only make world-class products from supporting the factory floor operations, but also to support the IT operations to be able to allow the biggest customers to do big things at scale.